there, it's JMPankey, and I'm so excited to be launching our Gua Sha 101 professional workshop happening on March 9th. Gua Sha is all the rage on social media. Instagram influencers are wildly promoting the amazing effects. The truth is, Gua Sha has been practiced in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. In this introduction to Gua Sha, we're going to talk about the history, evolution, and future of Gua Sha. We will learn step-by-step facial and stress reduction techniques with our host and sponsor, Estella Cockrell, founder of Switch to Pure. Following the training, we will launch a 2-week Gua Sha challenge for all attendees. Results you can see. Our Gua Sha for professionals is a great way to improve your own self-care routine and learn how to introduce these techniques to your clients and team. This workshop will start you on your own Gua Sha journey. I look forward to seeing you live in the SpaHive on March 9th. Can't wait to see you there.